How to create two YouTube channel in one Gmail account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and go to youtube.com. Now tap on the three dots and enable desktop site. Now zoom your interface. Now tap on a channel and tap on view your channel. Now tap on customize channel. Now zoom into the bottom left side and tap on the gear icon. Now go to channel. Now go to advanced settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on manage YouTube account. Now zoom a little bit. Now click on create a new channel. Now add a channel name and tap on create. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.